We got the Mountain Dew and some Reese's, bro. Honestly, if y'all ain't never had fucking a Mountain Dew and 2 Reese's, bro, I'll put you on. I promise you, I'll put you on. Try it, and I promise you, you're gonna hit me in the comments talking about, yeah, this is the best combo in the world. But I low-key been addicted to these fucking Baja Blast, bro. Honestly, I need to stop. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back to the landfill. Man, the camera ended up dying when I was backing up. But I'll show y'all the whole process when I get there. I'll talk to y'all later.